Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will learn about constants. Values of variables can be changed or rewritten. Int x equals to 10, x equals to 20. In the first line we will declare a variable x and assign the value 10, and in another line, on other line we assign the value 20 to the x. It means the value of variable has been changed from 10 to 20. Current value of x is now 20. Value of x has been changed. Latest given value of variable is considered. In our case, 20 is the latest value that has assigned to the variable x. We use constant when we don't want to change value of variable in our program. We use constant when you don't want to others or yourself to override existing variable values. If you want to create a variable whose value will not change in the whole program, so you have to declare that variable a constant. Constant, which means unchangeable and read only. Const keyword is used to declare a constant variable. When you are creating or declaring a constant variable, you will give the keyword const, C-O-N-S-T. Const int my age equals to 20. So we have declared int type variable my age equals to 20. We give the value 20 and we declare this constant because we have declared this variable constant. Const int my age equals 20. We have declared a constant variable, so its value will be 20. So let's do this practically. I have declared a variable my age equals to 35 and I have printed this variable, and I will change this value of the variable my age equals to 20. So its latest value is 20 and this will print the 20 because its value has been changed. So you can see here the value of my age is now 20. But if I want to make this variable very constant, so its value will not change. See honest. So this is the way to declare a constant variable. You have to write a const before the data type of variable. So this variable has been constant and we will give the value 35. Now its value will not change. It's showing 35, and if I want to change the value of the variable, it will give the error because my age now is constant and its value will not change. So this is the error assignment of read only variable, because my age is now read only. Its value will be only read and can't be changed. That's why it's showing an error. So I will remove this and it will work correctly. This is showing error because when we are creating a constant variable, we must have to give it a value. If we don't give the value of constant variable, it will show an error. So when you are creating a constant variable, you have to give the value or it will show an error. So that's all for today. Thanks for the watching.